just going to make very simple dish. It's a simple thing, just a burger. You make it with bread, buns. So these are buns.
Obugati bwe tweta scones.
Yeah. So these are the buns. I have also the beef. I'm just going to make beef burger. So for those who enjoy beef, they'll enjoy it.
Bageno osobola ogirya ekyemisana wayibuta. Can you have it for lunch?
It's just a first time meal.
First time.
When you're very hungry, you can make it within by.
Isn't it for
minutes,
breakfast? 22
to 30 minutes. You're done. Not only for breakfast. You can eat it during lunch, evening, anytime you feel like. It's just make your stomach full.
Okay.
Just very simple meal. Other than for you making food, which can take a longer time to get ready. So you can take this very simple. You make it quick meal.
Okay. Chef, tutandika tutya?
So this is the minced meat. It's beef minced.
So bwemba nzira ya beef nga nina minced meat ey'ebindindi.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Kasitoba na nyama.
Yeah, it's made from cow's meat.
Bweba ti ya munte. Ndakwogera olusoga osaaga ojja kubitegeera. What if it is not from the cow, but it is... does minced meat come from only the cow?
Not only the cow. It comes from very many different things.
All the animals, yes. So even if I have any other type of minced meat?
There's one for chicken. There's one for lamb.
Okay. So what do we need today? We need the minced meat, yes?
Yeah, minced meat. So we need also eggs. So I have my vegetables here. I have lentils. These are lettuce.
You take cabbage?
No, it's not cabbage. Cabbage is very different from lettuce.
This is what?
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Or lentils. Some people call it lentils. Some people call it lettuce. So if this is 500 grams, right? When you're using it, can make four burgers.
Half ya minced meat esobola okola burgers ina. 500 is half.
Yeah.
So if abasinga tuyidikuba nga tuyipimira mu half kilo, so half kilo esobola okuva mu burgers enungi diti ina.
This is my egg. What we are going to do, we're going to make our balls because we're going to finish to prepare it. Preparation first. Dip them inside the water, the boiled water. So I need to make them half done. And later we shall strain it and we put it in the oil, in the hot oil.
The chips.
Yeah.
Are they going to come out as chips?
Yeah.
We shall see.
So
Ebiseera ebisinga tuyidi nti obubooli buno bwe tuba tulikola obwa chips tuyidi nti tubutta mu bwito straight away. Ayeye asooka yabufumba.
make it half done. So I'm going to put there some salt.
Ofumba nga kufumba obubooli obwa bulidde obwa boil. Bana buli omu alina enfumba ye. Ife twanalirira nti chips dino mala okudisalasala tamubwito aye ate ye akoze ekyendawulo agitogoyisaaku ajja kuditola ku nga dikaali kutena kuya bulungi memale aditeena omubwito nga bwedi okuba nga obona.
So these are my buns. I'm going to slice them. Divide them into I'm going to make my sauce, which I'm going to use in the burger. So I'm using 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to put my ketchup.
Okufumba bino biveeko kuba okudibudde okuta okusobola
Tablespoon. Heat your pan until it becomes hot. Put some olive oil.
ajja kunkubiramu yena ajja kukyendeza
You put your beans.
so mukwano gwaife omulungi ali ewaka bw'oba ozza flying pan eno oba ng'ozza wakutaano obwo oba olina akatimba kokaliira ku ennyama
There's also a flat griller machine. You can machine the flat. Use it.
osobola okutaaku ku katimba okwo kubanga obutimba nti nti amaka agasinga tulina obutimba taaku ku katimba ote kusigiriyo obiteekuuti aye ng'omaze obibaaka ku bwito bijja kubanga bijja bulungi nga bwe tulikwenda okubanga kubitoolamu.
So our chip is up done. So I'm going to cool it to boil it.
yaife oterabira kugikeberaku kubanga oli kugiyisiza ku muliro gwagikalirira sigala ng'ogikeberako nga bw'oginiga amaadi gali gaveemu paka bw'enaabanga ekadde irala.
Not be too much. At first make it strong enough and that pan it's hot, then you keep on reducing your heat.
N'omuliro gufe kwino mukwano gwaife ali kuteekateeka misimiti yaifeere nti omuliro gulebo guba gwatandise nga musu leka gwikeikane enyama eno ekale nga bw'obona bw'okalirira emamba esobola okuba nga eya bulungi idukira nti wagitaire ku ngambisi kitegeeza nti tulina ogiwa time enough time esobola okuba nga eya bulungi.
So when your chips flows on top of the oil, these are okay, you remove.
bantu bangi tituyiri bubooli buyire bwebufaanana. Obubooli kati nga bwe tubaire tubukoze oba bwe twabufumbyeku twabuta mu bwito okutegeera nti buyire kasita buyira waigulu bwava wansi ebiseera ebisinga busooka bwaba wansi aye kasita buwewuka ne buyira kungulu ng'otegeera nti oba buyire era chefu akubye ati buyire sawa ya buti alikuba nga abutoolamu.
Keep on bending your banga and pressing it so that it is ready, that fire entered inside very well. And that blood also will come out from the meat. It will kill that bacteria. I'll be preparing our salads. Maybe slice your onion, 2 small particles, see? These are small slices. Make your plate beautiful. Nice. Someone wants to eat that nice shape.
So kyendidi mu ifumbiro nti tufuba kuyina okubona nga twongera mu ka art yako ne ka design tusobola okuba nga tutolerayo omuntu ekyokulya nga kiboneka bulungi.
Make sure you cut the outer part of the tomato. I have my cabbage here, sliced, on my onion, on my green pepper, carrot is also there. So the green pepper when you're slicing, also the outer part, that is what we need. Make sure those seeds are not there.
So how do I know that it is ready?
When you press it, and then bring
Water.
water in it.
Alijinigira irala ayitera okuva mu mazi kitegeeza nti eyire awo kyetuli kufumba tuyige nti tutuuse ku nkomerero.
So we are going to dress our salads. Not use cold. Good, squeeze my lemon.
So why do we put lemon?
To kill the bacteria.
So
You can never use lemon or vinegar.
bw'obozira vinegar osobola okukozesa eniimu eyamba okuyita obuwuka oba oidukira nti ebintu bye tujja kulya bibisi. So olw'okuba nti ojja kulya bibisi kyetaaga obuwuka obwandibeere kubonabona bwasobola okuba nga bufa kyova obona nga tukozesa ino ka lemon yako kasobola okuba nga kabiiti.
Very good in the body. You can even hear the name, it's herbs. These are leaves just. Leaves are very good in the body. Leaves can boost your digestive system. Helps also in blood transformation, like blood to flow. So press it so much, just press it slowly.
Just to heat a little.
Yeah. Use a frying pan, heat your frying pan and twist it.
Do I need to put cooking oil again?
And see, it's not burnt. spices. These are the vegetables we are going to put in the burger. So Ali mentioned about the inner part of the tomato. So this is what I was talking about. We shall roast that.
So if we're making it like round, it is okay to leave the inner part.
Yeah. So these are lettuce. You can see they are very sweet. So slice your cheese. Olive oil so that it will not get stuck.
So, which switch of that?